How to turn on aim assist in Fortnite. Welcome to another Fortnite tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or increase aim assist in Fortnite. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, all we need to do is open up the menu in Fortnite by selecting our avatar, then go down to the gear in the menu to open up the settings. Once in the settings, go to the right in the top menu and select the controller with the gear. Then we just want to scroll down until we get to sensitivity. And you'll see advanced options at the bottom of sensitivity. Go ahead and turn that on. Confirm these options. Then there'll be new advanced options under that. So we just need to scroll down until we get to advanced sensitivity and you'll see aim assist strength. To turn it on, you want to make sure that this is at 100%. As you can see in the top right, it says a setting of 0% will disable aim assist. So anything above 0% turns it on. And if you want full aim assist, make sure it is at 100%. Once you've made this change, select apply in the bottom right, then go back to Fortnite, and you have now turned on aim assist in Fortnite. All right, so that's how you enable aim assist in Fortnite. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Fortnite tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.